This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Google Ads and sign in using the account or manager account that owns the campaigns. Once done, go straight to the campaigns view and set a meaningful date range like last 7 or 30 days so you see recent activity. Make sure to customize columns, ad status, budget, IMPR, clicks, conversions, and AVG. CPC. These fields give immediate insight into delivery, spend, and performance, so you can act on issues without guessing. Now you diagnose why a campaign is or isn't running. First, read the status badge, eligible, paused, disapproved, or pending, and click for details. Next, verify budget and pacing. Compare daily spend to budget to catch throttling. Confirm bid strategy and add rotation to ensure auctions are being entered. Then inspect targeting, locations, languages, audience signals, keywords, and negative lists, because overly restrictive targeting often stops delivery. If you find mismatches, adjust them and save changes so the system can reevaluate. Finish by confirming ad and asset approval status. If any ad is disapproved, edit the offending element and request a review so delivery resumes. Then run diagnostics. Open auction insights for competition signals, apply relevant recommendations, and use the ad preview and diagnosis tool to simulate searches without accruing impressions. If issues persist, check billing for failed payments, consider resetting bids or budgets, and contact Google Ads support with campaign ID. Troubleshooting tip: a disapproved asset or failed billing is the most common blocker. Start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.